Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Okay, so this is my Ubuntu 20.04 LTS system. So let's start. So what you need to do, you have to click on this clock or message tray in the top middle. So let me click on this, and here we have the Do Not Disturb. Okay guys, so you can see currently it's disabled. So in order to enable this Do Not Disturb, what you need to do, you have to move this slider to the right. Okay, so let me click on this, and you can see we now have this Do Not Disturb enabled. Okay, and again click on this in order to close this message tray. Okay, and you can see guys, here we have this Do Not Disturb mode sign. Okay, and now we won't get any notifications and we can focus on our work. Okay, and again guys, when you want to disable this, so you have to again click on this clock or message tray, and you have to move this slider to the left. So let me show you. Let me click on this, and you can see the icon is now gone. Okay, let me click on this message tray again in order to close this. Okay, and we will get the notifications. Okay, so guys, I want to enable this Do Not Disturb. So let me again click on this clock. Let me move this slider to the right. Let me click on this. Let me click on this clock again in order to close the message tray. Okay, and you can see guys, we have this icon showing. Okay, that means our Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.